when importers need to consider using letter of credit. Are you going to deal with international supplier for your import-export business? Are you facing lack of trust as you are going to deal with someone whom you are not familiar with? Lack of trust between concerned parties is most common, especially in international transactions. As a buyer, you might be afraid of paying for goods upfront due to the fear that you may not receive the goods for the amount paid. Whereas, the seller might feel uncomfortable with a fear that they may not get paid for the goods supplied. In this case, letter of credit is the most popular solution. It's a written undertaking between the buyer, the seller, and the bank. Whereas, the bank guarantees the supplier that payment will be made once the goods are delivered. By this, both the buyers and the suppliers are assured in terms of performance and payment. If you are skeptical to deal with the overseas supplier, then you can secure your trade transaction by availing letter of credit from us. We have 30+ years of experience in issuing letter of credit for importers to secure their international trade transactions. To get letter of credit at zero collateral, contact us today. Email us support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us 97145519699. Call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.